Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you website appearance settings with light mode in Mozilla FireFox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla FireFox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Go to this and click here. So just now or before or previous I have used the dark mode. Now I want to change the thing has been changed, so I will go to the three bar icons that have the corner side. Click here and we will enter the settings option. Click this option. So here the front page, that means the general lots of form applications are not application, this is the modules have been presenting here. So here the general import browser, lots of thing has been here. Now I want to change the website appearance. Here have the some websites adapt their color schema based on your preference. Choice which color schema you would like to use for this site. So there have the dark side that I have been said it previous. Now I want to change the light mode. So when I click this, so see the thing has been used a light appearance for website backgrounds and content. So click this, see gradually, not gradually, first it has been changed, is there. So in this way the thing has been done. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.